I'm Survivor made to top 11 Chroma Awards game division. Yeah! This is my first ever game made by AI. And I submitted to Chroma Awards, made to top 11 finalist. And it's not over. I still have a chance to win the top prize. And they're going to announce in a live stream YouTube. I left the link below on December 21st, 8 p.m. Okay? Everyone go watch that live stream and find out who's the final winner of the game division. And I could be one of them. Vibe Survivor. Yeah! In this video, I actually want to go over all of the top 11 finalist games. So let's find out. So they gave us this spreadsheet list of who is the top 11. So these are the game. And see, I'm at right here, Vibe Survivor by VibeCreAI. This is my game. I am the top 11. This is not a ranking list. This is alphabetical order. So I'm not the last one. I still have a chance. I just wanted to go over these games with you and just honest opinion, provide my feedback who really has the best chance to win the Chroma Awards top prize in the game division. They have shared project gallery for all of the participants. So if you go over at the bottom, so there's a total 4,959 projects. This is including all of this music video, films, all of the category, not just the games. But we're going to check top 11 games. So before we actually played the first game, which is the BlokAIsia City Builder made by Theo Lee. So this game is one of the top 11 and they have used the free pick image generation. Okay, so this is they use the asset for the image using this tool. And then fall.ai 3D model generation API. Okay. So all of the 3D assets within the game, they have used the AI and they use the Google Cloud for Gemini 2.5 Flash. Wow. And 11 labs for the voice and music generation and Bolt.new vibe coding. So this is a fully vibe coded game using all of the assets generated by AI. Okay, I'm looking forward to it. So this is the start screen. It's a full 3D game. You start with the land like this. Build. Okay. I can zoom in by scrolling in. And WSID. Oh, okay. Wow. Wow, this is amazing. What else can I build? Design my own building. And yeah, there you go. Oh, wow. I like this one. Or this one. Actually, this is futuristic. Generate 3D. Wow. These guys are amazing. So you can actually prompt to create the image. And then from the image you selected, you can create the 3D asset. They have implemented everything inside this game. That is very impressive. Oh, wow. Can I build it? Yeah, okay, I like that. Okay, save. New building added. It is what I just added. Wow. I'm supposed to make money? Where's the billboard? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's hunt the animal. Launch the campaign. Oh, there you go. No way. Are you saying this is all made by AI? That is just crazy. My impression about this game is extremely well made. Technical aspect built into this game is just amazing. They use the actual live dynamic API for calling the AI to create the images, create not only the image but also 3D asset. We were able to build custom building. This is just from my prompt within the game, create the image, and then the image generate the 3D asset. So the concept is amazing. That means I can literally build anything I want in this land if I spend time. Yeah, this is well deserved top 11. So let's go into the second game. So this game is called Cardinate. Cardinate. Okay. Inspiration, competitive puzzle game. Okay, this is a puzzle game. So how is it made? Unity. So they used Unity procedural level generation prototyped in Bolt.new. Okay, so they prototype the game in Bolt, but that doesn't mean they created the entire game in the Bolt. So this is not 100% vibe coded game. They used the Unity to create and complete the game. But still, that works. They use the AI tool to just to conceptualize. I think the AI is being used in that way many times, especially with the first conceptualizing. It doesn't really say what's being used for the music, but the most of the artwork is made by AI. So the person who developed this game definitely had very good programming knowledge and use that programming knowledge to develop their own game, but use the AI for the asset generation. So let's play. I have to connect as many dots as possible. So that is the objective. So if I place it here, the two dots are being connected. If I place it here, none of the dots are connected. So I would be placing it right here. So then the total points are 16. And now 20. Pick code to inject. Vacuum. One place card. Card is blur. Card is blur. What does that mean? I have no idea. Hey, I'm not a programmer. I do vibe coding, but I let AI to do all of the coding. I don't do this myself, but I think I liked vacuum because it's longer coding, whatever. So I picked it. All right. That code is interesting. It enhances your pull cards to affect every other cards in marked directions and also extends its range. Wow. Also, I see there are two cards left. Okay. No. Oh, here. 20. Oh, there it is. That's the card we just picked from our previous round. Here. So 52 because he multiplied it. Wow. This game is very fun. And I really like the artwork. And I really like the monster explaining the game. Very cute. This guy knows how to create the game. Actually, this was built in Unity, right? So yeah, this guy is a programmer, already knows how to build the game. They just used AI for the artwork generations in the UI, but it's very well made. I think it totally deserved top 11. Okay, what's the next game? Chrono-Critters 1.0. This is made with the Rosebud AI. Okay. Rosebud AI is a great platform anyone who's getting into the vibe coding for the first time, I highly recommend if you want to build something with the AI for the first time, Rosebud AI is a great platform. I don't use it because it costs more money to me personally than just using the cloud code or codex, just purely vibe coding it from the scratch. I just find it more fun that way. But the Rosebud AI is more beginner friendly, I believe. Okay, so let's get the Rosebud AI going. Chrono-Critters 1.0. I like the rolling screen. This is cyan designs are AI's favorite design. I don't know why. Every time you vibe code anything, the UIs always come up with this cyan. Okay, let's just get into it right away. Select the mode. Tutorial. I'm gonna go into regular mode right away. Select the chassis. I can only select this one, so start run. Oh, oh, I can dash too. Oh, this is very similar to my game. Okay, level up, upgrade. So how is it different than just the normal survival game? Hatch the new creator. Okay, I like that. Hatch new creator. Oh, then now I have two creators shooting. That's twice more powerful. Projectile slow enemies. Oh, I like this. Slow down the enemy. Is it really slowing down? Oh, what is this one? What is that one? No. Oh, okay. It's a simple design. Honestly, the artwork could have been better, but sometimes the great game comes from the simplest design ever. I actually wonder what these are. Am I supposed to? Oh no. Okay, those are enemy, I think. What about this one? Oh, I think if the circle was completed and if I didn't die, I could have gotten some sort of bonus. Okay. Oh, codex? Oh, wow. So all of the stuff that I went through, it unlocks glitches. Oh, perfect. It's very well made. Oh, cleaner type. There's more stuff. Starts, stats, achievement. It's a very well made game. Honestly, the design is simple, but there's a huge mechanics went in there to make this game really fun. So I really like this game. Definitely deserve top 11 in my opinion. Okay. That was Chrono-Critters 1.0. Data Garden, Rocky Dad, Rockisdead. I'm so sorry. I'm very bad with the pronouncing these weird names. And this is their dev post for the Data Garden and their inspiration. This is very interesting. They want to make the game without any text. So it's all just one button and flashing into different images and artwork, like the visual story. But you use just one button. And it looks like it's been built by the team of people. They used the Gemini for the concept. Okay. And free pick tool contributed the reference and graphics. Okay. So at the end, they still had to make the custom art, but they used the free pick for all of the concept making, composition, poster like. So AI for the visual experimentation, they use this Streamina AI. So they didn't really use actual output of the AI. They just to get the inputs and idea from AI. Even for the actual game, they probably used the prototype in Gemini, but the actual game was made in Godot. So someone in their team is a programmer. Someone in their team is artwork designer. So all of the artwork at the end, it's handcrafted, but they use the AI for the concept. Okay. So yeah, it's a sort of AI. It's not a vibe coded game, but they use the AI tools as a reference. Data Garden. Wow, this is amazing visual. Music is awesome too. Oh, yeah, I'm just pressing spacebar. And I'm using whatever I gained from the activity, I'm using it to grow the garden. So that's why it's called a data garden. So I have to earn the data by playing some whatever the activities. Okay. Maybe keep pressing it. There you go. Oh. Okay, I can't believe this is made by AI. This has to be handcrafted, just like what they said. This is just way too good quality, and they're making it so well. This is a piece of art. If Judge is just looking for the final output of the game, this has to be the winner. All of the artwork, the flow of the game, visuals. I have never seen anything like this. This is very creative. Oh, wow. So all of this is hand drawn? Okay. Okay, I have nine data. Hmm. Oh, jump. Okay. Jump. Wow, I have 28 data. Wow, this is very fun. Okay. So I'm supposed to go to home. I have to catch the train. How do I do that? Okay. And I get off here, catch the train, get off. There you go. Wow, this is amazing game. Oh, I'm doing a push up. Now that's a rhythm game. jumping. Now I have 18 data. I think that's the end of the game. It's like watching a movie, but I'm interacting with the space bar. Oh my god. Okay. So rockisdead, that's the team. Art is Ivan. Programming, Pablo. Sound, Paco. So 3 people made this game. This game was made for the Chroma Awards 2025. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy game. But these guys are professional, man. Wow. These guys are professional. They just use the AI for concept, but they're already pro game development team. Not even just a single solo individual. They're a full team. And I have to say, this is very impressive. If the judges are going to pick the game based on just the final output, this is the top prize right there. And my game cannot even come close to this final output. This is just the visuals, story, creativity, everything is just unbelievable. I think, honest opinion, I don't know what the judge criteria is, honestly, but if they're looking for something just really beautiful and art, creativity based, doesn't matter what AI is used, I think this is going to win the top prize, honestly. Okay, let's do the next game. Genesis interface. Okay, how did you make this game? All voices, voiceovers, and sound effects were provided by 11 Labs. Okay, they used 11 Labs. Music by Suno AI. Images are all ChatGPT. How about the game? A lot of people using Bolt. It's interesting. 20,000 lines of code were implemented by the Cloud Sonnet. Okay. So this is a Vibe coded game. They use the artwork from the AI and Vibe coded all of the games using the Bolt. And the Bolt used the Sonnet 4.5. All specification, game design, mechanics, story writing were done entirely by author creator. So author creator, these are human. A lot of people participated in inspiring actual game coding and artworks, all from some sort of AI tools. Heavily AI designed game. There you go. Enter password. First book. Genesis. Genesis creator engine. Welcome back, creator. Press E to talk. Okay. So this is more of the dialogue game.
GERT 3.81i is more human than human. Use it to find the difference between right and wrong, or between right and left. Your feelings are safely saved on our servers for your future reference.
Okay, this is interesting. Brain computer interface.
Congratulations, creator. Welcome. All right. First question. Listen. Second question. Which principle must anchor all acts of creation? Last question. This one might be a bit trickier. There are 3 cakes. 1 delicious, 2 toxic. Each cake has a sign. Sign under cake A says, I'm delicious, and B is toxic.
C.
Sign under cake B says, A and C are both either delicious or toxic.
Okay. Oh, I got 50 love. I think that was the reward. Okay, I get it. I'm gonna stop the game right now. Okay, the next game is M's Cases Chapter 1. And this is their dev post, M's Case Chapter 1. They got the help of AI for the asset generations, but Unity, there is AI featured in the Unity, but it's not 100% vibe coding. So this is, if someone's using Unity, most likely means that they already know how to build the game and they're like a programmer. Let's play the game. I'm going to make it full screen. Made with the Unity. It's already, I can tell this is a very high quality game. Wow. Wow. I can go up and down. Oh, hi, Mark. Are you still sleeping? Seriously? Okay, I have to check the email. Nothing happened. I need to turn on the power first. Is the power? Power's back. Ah, this is crazy. There's no way. Is this all AI created? This character movement. I can see the background maybe. This is way too high quality game. Each animation is unique. Uh-oh. The expression of the cat's unique. So there's a lot of artwork built into it. I got the key. Thank you, Lisa. Better not. Okay. Okay, this is very high quality, honestly. And going out the door. What? Oh, sorry. I have to use the key. There you go. Few moments later. Okay, I'm not gonna play till the end. I get the concept, okay? This is crazy. Okay, now I'm not sure who's number 1. You know what? I'm gonna make my own spreadsheet out of this. PAREHO. What's a PAREHO? Oh, I have played this game already because this guy shared his game through the Discord. So I know what this game. This is a very well made game. What is it made with? Lovable. Okay, this is a vibe coded game then. You're basically selecting the 2 matching cards. And at the beginning it's extremely simple, but it gets harder. See, all of these UI are very much AI generated. Deploy auxiliary lightning. Wow. So I guess this is how it keeps going. Yeah. Okay, I can't continue to play this. I gotta stop it. So that was a very good game. Very well made. And let's go over the next game. Paw Prints Home. Puzzle game. They use the Godot and C Sharp. Yeah, you can use C Sharp in Godot. If this is a Godot, most likely it's not a vibe coded game, but they probably have used the AI for the artwork. This is all just my guessing. I could be completely wrong, okay? All of these images are very consistent. If this is all made by AI, I would say this is impressive. Keeping the consistency. Fast forward. I think I know what this game is about. Okay. Game is frozen at this point, but I like it. Dream. 2 people, 1 month. They have more than 12,000 3D objects. Wow. And all of those 3D objects are AI assisted. Hybrid process of AI assisted 3D asset generation. Okay, so maybe they created first with the AI, then human craft at the end or something, generated with the 3D AI, refining through the curated pipeline. Okay, that makes sense. Use the 11 labs for the voice. 3D first person game made with Unreal. My mouse changes the camera view. Oh, look at his face. That is one scary looking face. I have to go to a print shop. Wow, look at this. They're saying all of this is made with the AI.
Have you ever wondered how to make the summer last longer? Now you can! Just generate your dreams with 404.
Wow, this is some high quality game too.
This is not like her at all. I wonder what's up. She seems to have worked on something. Wonder what that is. I've been always scared of heights.
You are? Wow.
This looks like the key to the print shop.
Oh man, this is so cool. I'm flying. But how do I drive it though? Wow. This is some futuristic stuff. Oh my god, I'm flying with the drone. Oh my god. Okay, thank you. That was awesome.
It seems to be out of power.
You know what? I have to say, this is actually a very fun game to play. This is very well made, honestly. Like I can't stop.
This might be useful.
This is crazy. Look at the detail. What's up with his face though? Okay, honestly, you could have put like a little bit better work on the face while you're making 12,000 3D assets.
This place gives me the creeps.
X space to exit. Or that's it. Oh, here, there's more. Oh my god, I can't stop this game. Okay, I'm stuck at this point. I can't figure out how to get there. So I'm gonna stop right now. That was so much fun. Oh my gosh. This was amazing. Okay, this is another these highlight, okay? I'm gonna highlight everything in yellow first. I can't really decide which one is the best. Okay, next one's the Traveler. Rosebud AI. Okay, made with the React and 3JS. Okay, got it. If you use the Rosebud, then this is mostly all vibe coded. And let's get into the game. Okay, this is quite impressive game. And it's a 3D flight simulation, actually. Yeah. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to eat that. Oh. Okay. That was fun. So it's a 3D flight simulation. Okay. That was fun. Yeah, it's totally vibe coded. I can feel that. And then lastly, it's my game. Yay! I'm gonna close this for now. Okay. All right. This is the moment of truth. Honestly, okay, I don't know if you're watching this video or VibeCreAI channel for the first time, you probably haven't really seen my game, but my game is entirely built 100% vibe coding. So yes, it's like the Survivor vampire clone Survivor game, but it has a dash button. So it's more like an action game. You have to avoid projectiles coming from the boss. I think it's pretty fun. A lot of people, I wasn't really good at marketing my games with many populations. So not many people play this game, but anyone played this game said it was pretty fun. And I know 80% of them were my friends. So these are not really objective opinion, but I think I really like my game because I created it. I'm biased. So there are like all this passive items and all the weapons. And there's this a special feature of making the merger weapon. So yeah. And there's a scoreboard. This is created with the Super base. So in the global, this guy called Ryan, who's also my friend, he beat the post number 18. He played for 25 minutes and he's the number one. I don't know who this guy is. This guy is probably the legit fan. So he's not my friend. and he also came to post number 18. The people who actually went to post number 18 says it's impossible to beat the post 18. So I probably have to really check it out after I can actually get there, because I died on a post at 17. But yeah, there's a global ranking system built in with the super base. So anyone can play from anywhere and you can submit your own score. I'm not gonna go into too much detail with my game. I have two other video talks about only my game. So this video was for going through the other games. So I'm going to stop my game. But please check other two YouTube videos. I will put the links down below. One of the YouTube video is about the behind the scene, how I made this game with the AI. And then the other game is just the demo gameplay. So both of them, you can actually check out what my game is about. So I'm not going to go into the full detail about my game. But at least my game is survival style game action made with cloud code and codecs. Is the game made 100% vibe coded, or is it just the asset, artwork, or concept was using the AI power? But I don't think it really matters. I don't know what the judges' criteria is. They said the entering criteria was both just an asset or also just for vibe coding. So it could be there's no advantage or disadvantage of just doing the 100% vibe coding on it. So to me, the three games that are really standing out, although I really want to put my game, I'm gonna give myself a special color, cyan. I'm just be honored to be top 11. I don't think I'm going to, honestly, after reviewing all of these games, those three games are very high top quality. I don't think I'm going to be one of the top one. Honest, I'm just really trying to be objective. I am definitely biased about my game, although I really want to say my game can win the top prize. Honestly, after playing all of this top 11 games, I don't think I can really beat the top prize. Which one was the most fun to play? It's these two, the Dream or the Data Garden. Data Garden game itself was pretty short from the beginning till the end. It was only maybe 10 minutes. So this was pretty short game. But the Dream, I don't know how long I played. I actually played more than 30 minutes, I think. And this game was insanely fun. Game was really fun to play. So maybe this game, and they actually used a lot of artwork generation for the 3D. They said 12,000 3D assets. 12,000 3D. I can believe that. I've never done any 3D game development in using Unreal Engine, but these guys definitely know how to develop the game. There's two people who made this game together, but a lot of effort was put into it for the asset generations. And just genuinely, game was very fun to play. Although I was stuck at one point, but it was very addictive and pulling me into the story. So I really liked it. I think my daughter would love M's Cases Chapter 1. This was a fun game too, and it was very visually well made in Unity. So hard to pick. I think if I have to pick one game as a winner, just on the creativity part, the Data Garden was so creative. This is something I have never seen. Although other two games are very high quality and also very fun, I honestly think that Data Garden could be the winner of this game division in 2025 Chroma Awards. Data Garden was just amazing, amazing game. I really give kudos to this game. Very impressive. I'm just not sure how much of this artwork or the coding, like how much of the AI was really used in making this game, but the final output perspective, ah, this is the game I think it's going to win the prize. Okay, so that was my final wrap up of reviewing all of the top 11 Chroma Awards game. And yeah, looking forward to it. December 21st, this Sunday, 8 o'clock on Eastern Time or 5 o'clock PM on Pacific Time. So I will leave the link down below for the live stream show by the Chroma Awards, where they will announce all of the winner on the film category, music video category, and they have the most participants. So a lot of people will be really looking forward to it. On the game side, maybe there are about less than 1,000 participants, but it was still a very good active competition, and many good quality games have been entered. And in today's video, we reviewed all of the top 11 games, including my game, very little, but just to check my other two videos if you guys want to know more about my game. I'm very looking forward to that live stream to see who's the final winner. My guess is the Data Garden. I think the Data Garden is the winner, but we'll see. We'll find out. Hope you like this video and see you guys at the Chroma Awards live stream. All right. Bye.